Welcome to Smiley Star TV.
Hey kids, have you ever looked around and wondered, is this alive or is this just a thing? Let's play a game called Living or Non-Living. Get ready to learn with some fun, colors and surprises. Let's look into what are the living things. Living things are full of life. They eat, grow, breathe, move, and even have babies. Yes, they can also feel things and someday they die. Can you guess some living things? Let's see. A girl. A tree. A cat. And a flower. Yes, you are right. Humans, animals, and plants are all living things. They need air, water, and food to live. Now, let's look into what are non-living things. Now, let's talk about non-living things. Don't eat, don't grow, don't breathe, and never move by themselves. They can't feel and they don't have babies either. Like my toy car? Yes, like your toy car. And also chairs, books, walls, and rocks. They are super useful, but they are not alive. Okay?
Oops, nice try, Mr. Chair.
Let's play a game. Let's play a quick round of living and non-living. I'll show you something and you shout out the answer. Ready? Start.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time for another exciting journey.